Now then guys, welcome back, another UK van addict. Right, we're just doing a short video today, just a little update on what we're doing. So what we're going to be doing is sorting the batteries out, connecting all those up, connecting the oven cable, fridge cable and the one that's in here for the max air fan and for the light, because I'm going to tee that cable off in there. Yeah, one for the light, one for the max air fan. Oh sorry, it's going to be off to 3 points, so it's only a low voltage, so there's just going to be a 12 volt light, 12 volt max air fan, and flush for the toilet, so that's no problem to tee all that off onto there. So yeah, so I've only got 3 wires connected up to the batteries so far. That's what I can think of. So yeah, I'm going to get all the batteries connected up, isolator on, and we're going to do some plumbing. So yeah, I've been to B&Q and got some more fittings because the plumbing shop was obviously closed late Saturday afternoon. So I've had to go to B&Q and get them some from there. So yeah, we're going to get all them fittings together, fit all the pumping, get all the water pipes all routed in. So yeah, let's go. Frigging boiling in the van. Right, so I'm going to connect all the batteries up. I'll show you what I'm doing and I'll show you the finished product. So there's the batteries. I've already fitted the battery terminals on, negative and positive. And there's the wire, so I need to link all these up, fit these ends on, and then put these connectors on. So that's a negative, that's a positive, there's a fuse there. Right, I'll crack on with that and I'll show you what I've done. Right then, it's finally come, isolator. So let's get it fitted and I'll show you when it's fitted. Right then, there's the isolator all fitted in. See how it's all nice and neat? See, this is the negative. All batteries are all connected together. The end terminal goes onto the negative, which is, goes to these wires here, which one of them's the fridge, the fridge, the oven, and then the other one's for the lighting for the bathroom, and for the max air fan. So I'm just going to link it off in the bathroom for them too. So then obviously we've linked all the positive neatly together onto a fuse, isolated it, connected it up to the positive side of the all the appliances what we've got there. So there we go, all nice and neat. Right then, so my next job, right, I've been and bought some bits and bobs. Let me show you anyhow. So I bought an elbow and some 15mm pipe, and then I've cut that down to size, and I've bought a straight, and I've put put a 15mm pipe in it. This is the flux, so I've had to buy some flux, solder them, and then I've got this, and this should do it. It's my little blow lamp. So yeah, gonna get all this fitted in. I've still forgot the bloody connection for there, but I've got everything else. So yeah, we've got the water filtration system in. That's all nice and tight there. We need to fit this cable here into here, and then obviously it goes into the tap, which I've bought this connection. So yeah, so there's actually 3 parts to that. That's 1, 2, 3. So I bought this and it was 3/4 and it's meant to be 1/2 inch, but that was my mistake. So then I had to, which I already had this part here, so then I have to go about this part here. So this, I can't do it with one hand, but this screws inside that, and that screws inside that, and that screws onto, so that needs to come off. Oh no, sorry, goes on this one, the cold, so that screws onto there. So when that's screwed onto there, then I can connect this pipe to there, and then obviously to the tap, which is there, and that's going to give me my cold water feed. So then obviously my hot is here. So that's to, where is the hot going? So the hot's gonna go coming out of here, and then obviously it's going to be fed all the way up here into the boiler, and then the cold, and then the that's, yeah, so yeah, something like that. Yeah, that's right, I had to think about that one. So that's right, you obviously come through all there, like we said, comes to the boiler, but actually goes that way to the tap. So it's going that way through there into the hot water tap. Then the cold water feed comes in here, through here into the boiler. So it's the cold water feed going out and the hot water feed going back to there. When obviously we're going to tee it off and we're going to do it across the roof into here, into the shower. So that's what we're going to do for that. So let's crack on. Right then, we're going to finish up now. I'll show you what I've been doing just before we do. Right, so let me show you. Like we said, we've done all that, that's all finished. And we've been working under here. Look how neat that is. So these are all my bits that I've been doing. I've bought these connectors, soldered some 15mm pipe in them, done that one and that one. So yeah, that's that. This pipe is just going up, be out there, can't really see it, it's going across there into there, and then obviously this pipe, what I was talking about before, it connects into the back of here, and then obviously goes into the tap, which obviously isn't fitted yet because we've got to re-sand the worktop down and paint that. So yeah, so there's the red pipe. The blue pipe, we've connected those all up, so we've run them through here. So obviously the blue pipe is running across here, up there, same as the red pipe, and then to here. So obviously this is where the boiler is. So the blue pipe's going in, the red pipe's coming out. So we've got over here, that's going straight to the tap. Yeah, so I've got all that. So I need to, like I said, we need to tee it off, go up there, it'll all be nice and neat, go across here, all fed in there, all nice and neat, out the way so you can't see, and then it's going to come in here. We're going to obviously get some trunking on there for the connect this up, trunking on there because we're going to put the light on the back of here, trunking down there because the power cable is going to go to the flush on the toilet, and then obviously the water pipe's going to go into the toilet as well, and then we're going to tee it off here for the shower. So that's all going to be going into the shower. I'm not sure if I'm going to bar that just yet because there's that many little jobs. There's just hundreds of little jobs to. I think the little jobs take the longest. So yeah, like I say, it's just a short video today. So thanks for watching. We're off to Cornwall next, so you'll see our videos in Cornwall. So we're gonna give a little bit of a break on the van for a couple of weeks. So you'll see us in Cornwall doing a bit of fishing, going out on the boat and just doing a bit of exploring, bit of foraging. So yeah, let's give a little bit of a break on the van. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, it's for free. I'll catch you again guys, see you soon.